Hey guys, make sure you stay tuned and we're going to talk about common mistake people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, parts, tools that you may not actually need. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you guys trying to find fuses, relays for that generation Chevy Equinox that relate to TCU TCM transmission control module, guys. Chevy Equinox year 2010 to year 2017, guys. There will be multiple fuses, relays we need to check. Make sure to stay until the end. That way, do not waste money on parts diagnostics that you may not even need, guys. It could be simple fix. By the way, if you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix almost anything, guys. Engines, transmissions, bodywork, fuses, relays. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead, guys, and start on it now. So guys, the TCU TCM transmission control module, all that stands for the same thing. Fuses, relays, we will show you where you can find them. We will demonstrate on that Chevy Equinox here. Quick advice from us, guys. 9 out of 10 owners that have that Chevy Equinox do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in it. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Chevy Equinox Fuse Box Location and Diagram, a video that can save you a lot of money. You need to come and open the front right passenger door. When you guys do that, you come in the footwell compartment right in front of the seat. You see that's the center console here. On that center console we have one cover right there. That cover you need to pry it open, and underneath, guys, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. And what we guys need to check here specifically in that fuse box, we just need to check one fuse, then we need to go to a different fuse box and check 5 more components. But the fuse that we need to check here is fuse number 25. You see that 10M fuse, that's the one that you need to check. Then we need to come and open the hood facing the engine on the driver's side here. You see, that's the main engine fuse box. You have one clip here, one there, you squish them together and lift the cover up, and underneath you're going to find that fuse box layout here. Specifically here we need to start checking multiple fuses, guys, so kind of like be prepared, because we need to check multiple components today. And one of them, we're talking about fuse number 17, starting right here. Okay, you see we're going to have that fuse right here, guys, fuse number 17, that 15M fuse is the first one. Then we need to locate fuse number 44. That fuse right here will need to be checked next. The fuse after that is fuse number 52, the 20M fuse. Okay, right here. Next we're going to switch to fuse, we're going to find actually 53, guys. Okay, 53 now. Things go a little bit chaotic here. They go 52, then they go 53 right here. Okay, it's that 10M fuse right here under the relay. Okay, and after that, guys, we need to check relay 66. Right there. Those are the main fuses, relays related to the transmission, but if you have problems with it, guys, we'll recommend to always check fuses, relays for the ABS brake module, because they work together with the transmission module, and if those are bad, your transmission may not work. And check engine, computer, fuses, relays. We will have these 2 videos on the channel for any of you needing that help. Guys, now one very quick advice from us. If you open, guys, interior fuse box, we want to show you, you have two kinds of different fuses and relays here, but in the engine fuse box you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, J-case fuses, mini fuses, relays. Now, guys, always keep some spare ones. If you're in the middle of nowhere, let's say you need a fuse for a fuel pump, you don't have a replacement one, you're stuck. Always get some spare ones, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share, guys, the information in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, parts, tools as well, guys. So thank you for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.